Welcome to this free flow, a blend of Meridian tapping plus Qigong to start the day, to remind yourself that life is good. Starting with Meridian tapping to affirm our new belief system and to remind ourselves how great life is. So tap where I tap and simply repeat after me. Starting on the inner eye, life is good. Outer eye, I am grateful and blessed. Under eye, I'm focused on the little joys. Upper lip, that make every day magical. Chin, in fact, life is great. Side of the body, and I plan to take more time to appreciate its beauty. Top of the head, allowing happy vibrations to radiate through and out of me. Tapping the wrists together, taking a deep breath in and out through the mouth, letting go of any heaviness. And we'll begin our Qigong practice. Standing shoulder width apart, letting your arms hang loose by your sides, rotating from the waist and allowing your arms to hit your lower back and your lower abdomen. Here we're activating an acupressure point on the lower back right between the kidneys called the Ming Men point, or the gate of life. This is great for helping to release stress, feel more refreshed and energetic. Now taking that front hand and allowing it to slap across your chest, opening up the lungs, opening them up for a deeper breath, but also allowing in the emotion of joy. So making sure you're breathing here. And then go ahead and start slapping over the shoulder, releasing tension, stress from the neck and back. And working your way back down, back onto the chest. And then across the waist. And slowing down the motion. And allowing your arms just to hang by your side for a breath. Clasping your hands in front of yourself, bringing them up overhead for a stretch. Bending forward, straight back. And as you come up, you're going to ripple through the spine, bending at the knees until you stretch upwards once more. Keeping your back straight, so bending at the knees, rippling up through the spine like a wave of water, and stretching tall. Pairing with your breath, you'll inhale as you come up, and exhale as you bend forward. As always, moving with your breath, so allowing your breath to lead the movement. Keeping your arms up, coming to a wider stance, turning your toes to the right in a tall lunge as you wheel yourself forward, straight legs, and turn your toes to the opposite side. Stretching up, bowing back to get that compression in our lower back. Arms gliding in front of you, pointing the toes in the opposite direction, and stretching back. Coming back down, toes forward, and then toes in the direction that your torso is facing. Just to be mindful of our knees, make sure we're not straining anything or pulling on anything. And to pair with breath, you inhale as you come up and back, and exhale as you sweep across the front of the body. And pausing for a second just to hang, hands on your ankle, get a deeper stretch here, and slowly rolling yourself up. Coming back to center, you can give yourself a little shake. Just shake everything out now that we stretched and feel good. And then pausing just for a moment, just to feel into the body. And coming into a gentle flow called the firework, bringing your hands together up the midline of the body, all the way overhead, stretching and floating your hands down. Bring your hands up almost if they're holding or cupping energy and dispersing that all around you. When you think of fireworks, they're powerful, they're beautiful, they make you feel happy. They're for celebration. So celebrating your life, allowing joy to come into your life, becoming that firework. Inhaling as you gather and pull energy through the center of the body. And exhale as you distribute and disperse that energy all around you. And adding some dimension to the movement as you come up, just twisting from your waist, allowing your hands to glide back and forth. And then exhale again, grounding down into the earth, allowing the hands to drop. Coming back up as you inhale and rotate, pushing the hands back and forth, almost like you're gliding them through water. And bringing yourself back to center, hands on your lower dantian, feet grounded into the earth, tall, straight spine, crown of the head up towards the heavens. Really focusing on your feet rooted into the earth. Your breath as it comes in and out through your nose. Grounding yourself in this moment and really becoming aware and attuned in your body and seeing how good it feels. How good this moment feels. And allow that feeling to carry with you throughout your entire day. And giving yourself a nice little rub, inhale in and exhale out. Now sealing in all that good energy, starting from the pelvic bone all the way to the lower lip and turning the key, locking that good stuff in for the day. Hopefully you feel good, ready to take on the day. Let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I love hearing from you all. Bye. If you enjoy my channel and want to dive deeper, please check out the Mindfully Me Studio, your all-in-one place for personal growth and emotional well-being. Housed here is my complete collection of videos and tutorials, including tapping meditations, workshops, 5-minute power tappings, and free flow routines, all thoroughly organized for easy access. Whether you have 2 minutes or 30 minutes, you'll find a variety of techniques to fit your schedule and keep you consistent in your practice. Designed to help you release stress, build confidence, and take charge of your thoughts and feelings. Here in Mindfully Me Studio empowers you to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. Download as an app for easy access and also enjoy a 7-day free trial.